Here is the 5-pack multicolored makeup sponges. And you can use these either wet or dry. And it's my first time trying it, so let's try it out. So it has a zipper pouch, and they're all in this plastic wrap. It also comes with care instructions and how to use the product. Let's open it up. Oh, here I go picking a yellow one. And let me show you what it looks like. They have it in different colors, so you can diversify what makeup colors you're using to blend. And there's a pointed tip as well as a rounded bottom and sides. Let's go try it out. I'm going to use it wet, so I'm going to put it under water and let's see how it works. Wow, look how much bigger it got. They did say if you run it under water for your first time using it, and then squeeze out all the excess water. So here it goes. And let's put it a little bit of my foundation. And then now let's put it on my arm or my hand. It's working very nicely. Definitely doing its job. I like it. Wow, look how much bigger it got. Thank you for watching and hope you found this video helpful.